Hello, this is Exponents and Radicals, quotients that involve exponents, example 3. And there's an A part and a B part. A part is this problem, 4x squared over 5y, all raised to the 3 power. And as these questions get trickier and trickier, and they will get trickier and trickier, you just have to take it apart and make sure you thoroughly understand what you have here. If you just try the first thing that comes into your head, it might be right, it might be wrong, and you'll get it wrong about half the time. So taking this apart, I have 3 of these, what's in the parentheses. So I have 4x squared over 5y times 4x squared over 5y times 4x squared over 5y. Take a look. That's what I have. There's 3 of these. So in the top, I'm going to have 4 times 4 times 4. That's 4 to the 3rd power. I'm going to have x squared times x squared times x squared. That's x to the 6th power. In the bottom, I'm going to have 5 times 5 times 5. That's 5 to the 3rd power. And y times y times y. That's y to the 3rd power. And that's the answer. B is much more complicated. If I cross this off, just block it for a minute, this is kind of similar to what I had before. If I block this off, this isn't too bad. It's relatively simple. But when you look at it all together, it becomes very confusing. So the way to do it is to just do it one piece at a time. Here I have 5 of what's in the parentheses here. So that's a squared over b times a squared over b. I switched to a cursive b. A squared over b times a squared over b. That's 4 of them, and now one more, times a squared over b times 1 over 2a squared. So now in the top, I've got 2a's from here, 2 from there, 2 from there, 2 from there, 2 from there. That's 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So I have a to the 10th, and times 1 doesn't change anything. In the bottom, I've got b times itself 5 times. That's b to the 5th power. And I still have times 2a to the 2nd power. Now these 2 a's in the bottom are going to cancel with these 2 of the a's in the top. I probably could have done that here. I could have crossed these 2 off that way. But anyway, any way you look at it, I'm going to end up with a to the 8th in the top and 2 times b to the 5th in the bottom. We usually write the number first.